So on 17, all I have to do this time is write an equation and graph it. Do I have to do all those little parts that we just did? No, so this is a lot easier. They tell me I have a center at 0, 0. So I'm going to go ahead and graph that. If I have a center at 0, 0, what will I not have in my equation? Parentheses. I'm not going to have any parentheses. Do I know which way it's opening yet? Not yet. Let's keep graphing. They tell me I have a focus at 3, 0. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, do I know which way it's opening now? Yes. Which way is it opening? Up and down or left and right? Left and right. So what letter is going to go first when I write my equation? X. So I already know I'm going to have an x squared over something minus a y squared over something. And what do all hyperbolas have to equal? 1. Okay, so we've kind of gotten started. If I went right 3 to get one focus, I'm going to go left 3 to get my other focus. Because I have the focus, what letter did I just give you? A, B, or C?
C.
C. What is the value of C? What is the distance between these two? 3. Thank you, Lucas. Okay, the next thing they tell me is that I have a vertex at 1, 0. So I got a vertex right here at 1, 0. That means I have another vertex the opposite way. Could that just give me the A or the B? A. What's my A? 1. Who do I have left to find so I can finish everything up? B. We have to go find B. So I'm going to use my equation again. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So what is my C squared? 9. What's my A squared? 1. How would you find B squared? Subtract. What's 9 take away 1? 8. So what is B? Square root of 8 or 2 square root of 2. I told you it's okay if you write it either way right now. If square root of 8 makes more sense to you than 2 square roots of 2, that's good. Remember, they're the same thing. You just do a little factor tree. So now I have to go graph the B. What is square root of 8 close to? You get a calculator if you don't know. It's close to 3. Is it all the way to 3 or is it right before the 3? Right before the 3. Remember, B goes in the opposite direction. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to put a point right below the 3. I'm going to go the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to put a dot right before the 3. What do we use the B for? The box. So you go to your vertex. We're going to make our little dotted box between the B and the A's. And you're going to go draw your asymptotes right through the corners and right through the center. They're not asking me to write any equations right now. I'm just graphing. Let everybody catch up. Okay, so when you go graph this little arm of the hyperbola, let's review. Go put your pencil on the vertex. Remember, I'm going to open left and right. So I'm going to go kiss right up against that asymptote and right up against this one. That's how I know how wide to make the hyperbola. That's the whole reason we have to draw those little dashed lines. I'm going to go the other side, put my pencil on the vertex. And again, I'm going to kiss right up against these asymptotes. Your graph is done. Is your equation done? All right. What letter always goes first? A what? Squared. Very good. A squared. So what is A squared? 1. What letter always goes second? B what? Squared. What is B squared? That's B. What's B squared? 8. So I have written my equation and I have graphed my picture. I've done both. How are we doing? Okay.